Thank you so much for inviting me to present our new equipment at Mater Dei Hospital in Malta, which was St. Luke's Hospital, into our new premises, which is Mater Dei Hospital, which is over 1,000-bed hospital. It's a teaching hospital annexed to the University of Malta. The pneumatic tube system is a fast-track system which basically consists of a series of tubes. I imagine these to be our sort of roads in the country, whereby the specimens are put in canisters. From here, the system was even further developed by Sumetzberger, because before we used to open manually the canisters. We are very happy to take up this new development, which is now giving full automation from the pneumatic tube system into the sorter at the main reception, and I can safely say that we're very happy with the full complement of the system. Not only is this a very efficient, fast-track system of transporting our perishable sample from the bedside to the laboratory, where now with total lab automation, the sample is put into the analyzer, analyzed, and the clinician can see the result online in real time. So from the bedside to the result at the clinician's desktop. So this is really a very fast, efficient system, but besides that, because of the financial constraints, this is very much cost savings. One concern which we always had when we utilize new automation is the quality of the specimen. As you know, we issue results which affect our health, and we want the best quality for the analytical to come over to the clinician. So once we have used this particular Sumetzberger system, we know that the sample is well cushioned and protected within the canister. It arrives via transportation through the system, it opens up within the system itself and is again transported to the lab. At any of these stages within the process, the quality of the sample remains unchanged and there is no perishing of the sample at all. And when we had to look at the analytical of the quality of the sample, we can safely confirm that the quality of the sample and the results which we get, especially electrolytes, potassium and so on, remain unchanged during transportation using this system.